Break a leg. Good luck, especially before a big event. You have a big test today. Break a leg. The coach said, "Break a leg, team, before the game." Blackout. To lose consciousness. He blacked out from the heat. The patient blacked out after the injection. Go bananas. Acting crazy or very excited. She went bananas when she saw the surprise. They went bananas after hearing the good news. Pocket an insult. To ignore an insult and not react. He pocketed the insult and stayed calm. He chose to pocket the insult and smile. Against the clock. In a hurry to finish on time. He was running against the clock to catch the bus. The team is playing against the clock. Red Letter Day. A very special and happy day. Graduation day was a red letter day for him. Winning the prize made it a red letter day. Big cheese. A very important person. Our boss is the big cheese here. He is the big cheese in this company. Plain sailing. Something that is easy and without problems. The test was plain sailing. Baking the cake was plain sailing. Old as the hills. Very old. This book is old as the hills. His jacket looks old as the hills. Rain check. To do something later, because you cannot do it now. I can't join dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check? Sorry, I'll take a rain check on that coffee.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!